Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday and it's time for cooking. Today's menu is gray ham. So, we will make mango float. I am here inside Vinmart here in Vietnam looking for some eggs, condensed milk. Since they don't have any kind of evaporated milk so far, as I stay here, I didn't see any kind of evaporated milk yet, so we will use the typical milk they have. So in here I'm looking for the rose of the milk, and then we will use the available brand or the available common condensed milk they use in here. So we will be needing at least 2. Okay, I'm not sure if this is enough, but I need 2, and then 1 liter of this milk. Okay, and here I'm checking the manufacturing date. Yeah, then it's okay na. We can go back to our apartment and let's start the cooking. Okay, you can see all the ingredients in here, so everyone can easily know what are the main ingredients for making the mango float. I used the half of this Vina milk and 1 can condensed milk. As you see, I'm having hard time on opening the can in here, and I'm using the knife only since it doesn't have the easy can open. And then here I used 2 eggs, but only the yellow one to make it more colorful or more delicious. Yeah, comment down below if you also use knife for opening those can like condensed milk. Okay, in here I'm using the creamy Nestle cream from Philippines. Any kind of dish with this cream, the dish will make it at its best. I promise to you that. I also use that for cooking adobo, caldereta, afritada, ginataan. Really perfect combination or really perfect partner for all kind of dish. Okay, and then here I have 3 ripe mangoes that I purchased last week in Tanmi Market. Since I didn't consume it yet, let's put it all in our mango float. Okay, so this is the way I cut the mangoes for this kind of dish. It's very easy to make this kind of dish. It's like 1, 2, 3, boy lang. I just mix and then I just stir it, the mixtures. It's very easy. Anyone can make, even you are not professional chef or you didn't study any kind of cooking lesson like me. You can make it at your own home with only the presence of those ingredients: the milk, condensed milk, mango, gray ham, and Nestle cream. Okay, in here I am forming the graham crackers. As you see, I'm having the hard time for balancing the cookies here. Okay, but nothing is hard for the person that is really trying, right? Okay, so yeah, all is good. Let's pour some of the mixtures here, and then the filling of mangoes. then another layer. Then let's balance this one. I'm putting some, and then again another topping. So as you see, I'm using only my hands in here because it's better to use your hand. And the excess or the excess grahams, I need to crush it so it will be better on the toppings. Few later I will show you. Okay, let's punch, and there you go, another punch. I'm just using my hands on this, but if you have grinder or blender, you can use it too. It doesn't matter as long as you get the crush size that you desired. Okay, so now this is, for me, this is okay already. And then let's just cut the another mango in here. Okay. How I miss this mango graham. After 2.5 years, I literally first time making this mango float here in Vietnam after I received the graham from my mother. Thank you, mother. It's already the look of a finished product. It's already looking delicious. We could end up this food video vlog for this mango float. So if you like my video, please let me know where you're from watching this video, and please like, share, and subscribe for more and latest updates. Thank you for watching.